Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy writing challenges with NaNoWriMo, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively deploy writing challenges using NaNoWriMo, start by understanding the core concept of NaNoWriMo. NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month, held every November. The goal is to write 50,000 words in 30 days. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the official NaNoWriMo website. Create an account to access resources and connect with other writers. Outline your writing project beforehand. Decide on the genre, characters, and key plot points. Establish a daily word count goal to stay on track. Consider using a calendar or planner to map out your writing schedule. Set aside specific times each day dedicated solely to writing. Eliminate distractions in your writing environment. Use writing tools like Scrivener or Google Docs to organize your work. Join local or online writing groups for added motivation and support. Participate in NaNoWriMo events, both virtually and in person. Engage with the community through forums and social media. Keep track of your progress using NaNoWriMo's word count tracker. Celebrate small milestones throughout the month. Stay flexible with your writing routine to accommodate any unexpected events. If you face writer's block, take short breaks or change your writing location. Encourage friends and family to check in on your progress. At the end of November, review your completed manuscript. Consider setting goals for editing and revising your draft. Use feedback from writing groups to improve your work. Plan a celebration for achieving your writing challenge. Reflect on what you learned from the process to enhance future writing projects. As NaNoWriMo concludes, think about how to maintain your writing momentum year-round. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.